Hey, hey, what's going on? It's me, KR. So I'm out here this Sunday evening just chilling and relaxing in the backyard, enjoying the sounds of nature. The crickets are going. It's about almost 7 o'clock this evening, and so I'm just out here enjoying the fresh air, looking at the pine trees, just listening to the private planes fly over every now and then. Just having a bit of quiet time. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. Yeah, listen to that. Just quiet. I don't know if y'all can hear the crickets or not, but just this moment alone, that's one of the top reasons why we moved out here. For the nature, the beauty of it all. We have a lot of pine trees. Just imagine the beautiful sunrises and sunsets. This has always been our end game, is to get the land. Eventually, I'm going to start a garden. I'll probably more than likely wait until the spring. Um, I already have some orange trees that was already started before we moved in. There's 3 of them behind the barn area. But I gotta do some more research because they're not growing as fast as I think they probably should. But I have to just, like I said, I gotta do some research to see how fast they should be growing. But I will say, from what I've read so far, it takes a long time for them to really fully develop and produce fruit. So I don't know. We'll see. Another thing I want to grow is some lemon trees, maybe even some pecan trees. So basically, I want to grow some fruits, like fruit trees, maybe even have a herb garden, some different spices, things of that nature. But we'll see. Some greens, like collards, mustards. I might even do some cucumbers. I don't know. Um, my husband isn't too big on tomatoes, so that may defeat the purpose of even growing the tomatoes if they won't get eaten. I'm even thinking about like maybe a blueberry bush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a list of all the things that I want to grow and just do my research in terms of what's more efficient for the area that we're in. What's going to be productive? What's going to produce? So, yeah, that's about the garden. Oh, some flowers too. Um, hmm. Yeah, any ideas? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's gonna do it for now. I'm just gonna sit out here for a few more minutes, maybe watch the sun go down. Alright, y'all have a great evening. Talk to you later.